want. So we start at the wrong place. When we got to legacy solution, we did a little bit better. We not only said why us, but we said why us and why our solution. You have a problem, we have a solution. So we started this part where it's still about us, and it's still about buying our product or our solution, but not about our outcomes. When you get to a modern sales approach, this conversation shifts. It's not the same conversation. It's not a why us. It's why change and why now. The conversation starts in a different place. And I'm going to tell you, if you get this right, and if you can execute the strategies well inside the sales conversation, you never have to say why us. Anybody married? Did you make a PowerPoint deck to show your spouse, all of your benefits and advantages and all of your many features, most of which now seem like to your spouse, especially you, sir, as a bug, correct? I thought you said it was a feature, but it seems to be a bug. That's what this is like when you're on the other side of this. When you can help somebody understand why they need to change, and when they need to change, and how they need to change, you're having a very different conversation than somebody who's done this for a lot of years, but hasn't updated their approach. So what we have to do is update the approach and make sure that we're doing the things that actually allow you to succeed and helping your clients succeed in an uncertain environment. Okay, so legacy. If the why us came from marketing, and marketing would say something like,